Hello, hello students. Good morning. Today we will see the generation of FM. Okay, the FM signal which is generated direct by using direct method and indirect method. Types of direct methods are reactance modulator, varactor diode, and type of indirect it is the Armstrong method. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to see the generation of FM signal by using the direct method, that is by using reactance modulator and varactor diode. In next lecture we are going to see the FM generation by using the Armstrong method. So first one, it is the FM signal generation by using the reactance modulator. So diagram for the reactance modulator which is shown in figure. RD, it is the stabilized resistor. CBCR, emitter bypass capacitor. RFC, which is the isolation purpose it is used. CT, it is the coupling capacitor. Okay, so I will explain the construction and working. Figure which is shows the circuit diagram for the FM generation by using the reactance modulator. Plus VCC, it is applied to the collector terminal of both transistor. Plus VCC which is applied to the both collector terminal of transistor. CC, which is stands for coupling capacitor, which is used to couple output of transistor Q1, means first transistor, to the oscillator. This circuit which is consist of two parts. Okay, first part it is the reactance modulator. Okay, and second part it is the oscillator circuit. The reactance modulator which is shown in figure, and remaining part it is the oscillator circuit. Okay, CBCER, emitter bypass capacitor. RD, which is used for the stabilization purpose. RFC, it is the radio frequency choke which is used to isolation purpose, means isolate the DC signal from oscillator circuit. AF input, which is applied to the base of transistor according to the modulating signal. Reactance of Q1 means first transistor which is changes. Reactance which is appeared across this oscillator circuit. As this reactance which is in parallel with oscillator circuit, the output of oscillator circuit is changes in accordance with modulating signal. So it produces the FM signal. So it produces the FM signal. So this reactance modulator, it is consist of two parts. First one, it is the reactance modulator which is shown in figure, and remaining part it is the oscillator circuit. Okay, plus VCC which is applied to the both collector terminal of reactance modulator and oscillator circuit. Okay, this CC which is couples the reactance modulator and oscillator circuit. CC, which is stands for coupling capacitor, it is used to couple output of transistor Q1 with oscillator circuit. Okay, CBCER, emitter bypass capacitor. CBCER, the emitter bypass capacitor. RD, it is used for the stabilization purpose. RD, which is used for the stabilization purpose. RFC, it is the radio frequency choke which is used to isolate DC signal from the oscillator circuit. RFC, it is the radio frequency choke which is used to isolate DC signal from oscillator circuit. AF input, it is applied to the base of transistor Q1. AF signal which is applied to the base of transistor Q1 means first transistor AF input signal, that is the modulating signal which is applied. According to the modulating signal, the reactance of first transistor which is changes. Okay, this reactance which is appears across the oscillator circuit, across the point output of reactance modulator, and this reactance which is in parallel with the oscillator circuit. The output of oscillator is changes in accordance with modulating signal. The output of oscillator is changes in accordance with modulating signal so as to produce FM signal. So at the output of oscillator circuit, it produces the FM signal. So advantages of these reactance modulators are, or direct methods are, low cost, it is of low cost, and disadvantages is distortion which is present, high order stability which is not obtained, high order stability which is not obtained. So this is the reactance modulator. Next one, it is the varactor diode modulator. So this figure which is shows the varactor diode modulator. Modulating signal is applied to the primary winding of AF transformer. See in the figure, modulating signal which is applied to the primary winding of AF transformer, where this signal is, or primary winding which is coupled with the secondary winding of transformer. So we are getting the modulating signal at the secondary winding of transformer. Minus VB, that is the minus VB, it is applied to the varactor diode. Minus VB, it is applied to the varactor diode. Due to this negative voltage, varactor diode goes in a reverse bias. Minus VB which is applied to the varactor diode, due to this negative voltage, varactor diode goes in a reverse bias. Modulating signal is in series with the negative voltage minus VB. According to the modulating signal voltage across the varactor diode also changes, and junction capacitance which is also changes. Junction capacitance, it is the CJ. RFC, it is the radio frequency choke which blocks the DC and provides DC only to the diode. Okay. Oscillator circuit generates carrier signal. Varactor diode is connected in a parallel with the oscillator circuit. According to the modulating signal, carrier signal which it changes, and FM signal which is obtained at the collector terminal of transistor, which is obtained at the collector terminal of transistor. So this is the explanation for this varactor diode. See figure which shows the circuit diagram for the varactor diode. Okay. Modulating signal is applied to the primary winding of AF transformer. Modulating signal is applied to the primary winding of AF transformer, where the signal is coupled with the secondary, means what? Primary winding which is coupled with the secondary winding of transformer. So we are getting the modulating signal at the secondary winding of transformer. Minus VB applied to the varactor diode, due to this negative voltage, varactor diode is in forward biased. Minus VB voltage which is applied due to this varactor diode, due to this negative voltage, varactor diode goes in a forward biased. For the varactor diode, we requires the negative voltage. Okay. Modulating signal is in series with this negative voltage. Modulating signal which is in series with this negative voltage. According to modulating signal, voltage across varactor diode which is also changes. According to the modulating signal, voltage across varactor diode which is changes. Due to this, junction capacitance which is also changes. Junction's capacitance, it is the Cj, it is also changes. RFC, it is the radio frequency choke which is used for block the DC signal. Okay, it is used to block the DC signal. Okay. Oscillator circuit, it is used to generate carrier signal. Varactor diode which is connected in a parallel with oscillator circuit. With modulating signal, carrier signal which is changes and FM signal which is obtained at the collector terminal of transistor. So this is the varactor diode modulator.